Right, got your fine, as I already said, but I got off the bike okay. This the side stand system I got you as an absolute basically let's go and do the GoPro so I can just show you what's around here, because switching to my phone doesn't have power and stuff at the moment because I didn't have the charging system figured. Just unscrewing the fork through. I'll show you where we are. Come on, girl. Alright, that's out. So there we are. Just no class a cottage. I'm telling you that's where my GNT is going to be a little bit later. You're right in the Bosveld diesel. Oh, pal. Here's my beautiful bike and the cottage. Class as a cottage. How's that? Let's go and have a look inside, shall we? I'm really hoping these videos I took worked well. Nice little place there. Kyk daarso. Kyk uit met jou stoepie. And let's do an unlock. Goed knoepie. Gooi dat daar zo. Whoa, is that going to be lovely? Isn't it going to be lovely? Right. Let's see if I like it somewhere. Power's off from somewhere to somewhere. 4 o'clock power's gone, so that's also a blessing. I don't see a light switch. Anyway, you don't see a light switch here? Alright, light switch 1. Classic cottage. I can hear a fridge going. Here's a nice, my double bed. Light switch 2. Not sure. Lekker daar slaap. My kitchen. Another bedroom over there. Another bathroom. Right, let me unpack and get on with the day.